Hi. Today we're going to be going over our introduction, problem solution, product demo, why we are different, innovation, and creativity. So the problem we are solving is medication non-adherence. 50% of older adults, up to 50% of people with disabilities don't take meds as prescribed. 39% of non-adherence is due to forgetfulness. Seniors and disabled individuals often manage multiple medications daily. So our solution will worsen chronic conditions, ER visits, and premature deaths, and $300 billion in preventable U.S. healthcare costs annually.
So our solution was an automatic pill dispenser with software integration. Doctors can order pills through a dedicated portal, and medicines are delivered directly to patients. The application provides timely reminders and tracks medication history. One-stop solution for both doctors and patients to reduce forgetfulness. So we designed a pill dispenser. For our pill dispenser, we have a chute, an auger, and we have a servo motor that turns a threaded cylinder inside of a threaded cylindrical housing. This is an innovative way to reduce extraneous pills.
This is what you would see from the doctor's perspective of our software. So as you can see, if you are a doctor, once you log in, you'll be able to add your patients, their phone numbers, and their medical conditions, and you'd be able to prescribe them some medicines. And if you take a look on the right, we just created a portal for our doctors to be able to do exactly that. And this is what you'd see from a patient's perspective. So if you can just sign up and log in on our application, and you can do the same on creating an account. So you can just log into your portal. You can see what medications you have to take, along with the history of the medication. And here's why we like to say we are different. We are using all these equipments, and if you add them up, and their added cost would be about $60. And this is what our competitors would look like. And
our project costs a total of $60, whereas our competitors' products cost over $100. Along with that cost is the cost to run our server, which is really cheap, approximately $3 per month for a doctor. It can be affordable even for low-income households to use our device. We encountered multiple challenges in this project. We started off using a Raspberry Pi and really quickly realized that the Pi was far too complicated for our needs. We didn't need something overly complicated. We could resort to a simpler ESP32. So we switched to that, and then we started hitting performance bottlenecks. Our ESP32 didn't have quite enough power to host everything on its own, so we used our friend's server computer located at his house in Pennsylvania. Our 3D modeling was not always the best, but we tried to create a fast prototype and constantly iterated over our old solutions.
Thank you.